Welcome to another episode of Kuma's Kitchen, and summer is coming. Summer's on the way. It's getting hotter, so time for some good salads. And what do we got today? We've got 3-bean summer salad. Yeah, there's 3 different types of beans in here. There's tomatoes, a lot of red bell peppers, some good crunch, and a nice little dressing. Now, the nice thing about this too, you can make it in the morning, let it marinate all day, and come home to a nice, and you chill it, so the nice chilled salad, perfect for summer. Let's go in the kitchen and make it right now. All right, so it's a pretty simple salad to make. Got a few ingredients here, and we're just gonna mix it all together. So first of all, across the front is all our dressing ingredients, and that is a half a teaspoon of pepper, half a teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise, and of course Kewpie mayonnaise, and you can have either 2 or 3 garlic cloves depending on how garlicky you want it. We like 3, so 3 cloves are in there. Then we got the beans across here. So you can try different beans too. What I've got here today, you might try something different. For example, I've got, there's all 14 or 15, I can't remember, the 15, you know, the cans, the regular cans of, I've got red kidney beans, I've got black beans, and I've got like a longer white bean. That white bean could be replaced with something like chickpeas or whatever. I mean, you might have different type of beans that you want to try in here. That's fine. You can mix it up. Then across the back, what we've got here is 2 red bell peppers. I got some really nice red bell peppers today from the grocery store. Chop those up like that. Not too fine, but not too coarse. They're about close to the bean size, really. And then I've got here the little mini tomatoes. In this case, I've got exactly 25. You might have 24, 25, 26, whatever comes in a little container when you go to buy them from the grocery store. And I've cut them in half. All these, of course, these beans, rinse them, drain them. When they come out of the can, they don't look that great, but once you rinse them, they're fantastic. All right, so we've got all our ingredients ready. I'm just going to move some of the stuff to the side over here, just for now, because I want to make up that dressing. So let's put all those guys over here. Bring a big bowl in here. And to make the dressing, well, basically just going to put everything in here. So the olive oil, and kind of get that to pour out of there, come on, all right. The vinegar, the mustard, oh, that slides off there nicely. Okay, the mayonnaise. Okay, got all that in there. The garlic. And then the salt and pepper. All right, all we do now, grab the whisk it up. Just until it comes together. Now with the mayonnaise in there and that mustard, it's going to emulsify real nicely so you don't get your olive oil and vinegar separating. Anytime you use mustard, or like a Dijonaise mustard too, or the mayonnaise itself, that's what helps to emulsify it all together, and you get it just like that, looking really good. That's it. Oh, that tastes great. All right. Now what I'm going to do is throw the beans in there. Oh, a couple left in here. Get in there. All right, we got all the beans in there. A little piece left. Okay. I'm going to just quickly toss those before I throw the other things in. I don't want to crush the tomatoes, so I'm kind of putting them in last. So toss the beans around until we get them nicely coated, as you get the dressing coating them. All right. I'm going to get the pepper in there too. It doesn't crush as much, so not a problem there. So let's mix that in. Just basically lifting and turning, so you're tossing it all around in there, getting it all nicely mixed together. You get the dressing all distributed across everything. Everything's coated nicely. Now in there goes the tomatoes. And just a gentle toss now to get the tomatoes distributed throughout. So it's gonna be a bit gentler. And that looks like we've, overboard. That looks like we've basically got everything, yeah, nicely distributed. All right, that's it. What I'm gonna do now is cover this, put it in the refrigerator, chill it, hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, chill as long as you want. So this is a nice dish you could make in the morning. You know, before you go to work or something like that, you can make this, put it in the refrigerator, covered, let it chill, and when you come home, it's gonna be ready for you. All right, if you like this dish, you know what to do. Check out the other original Kevin Riley recipes here on Kuma's Kitchen. Also, make sure you give us a like, share it with your friends, and make cooking fun again with Kuma's Kitchen.